Hey guys, we're going to do a quick walk around here on this Ford Mustang. Do a little light operation video. There's a window going down. Windows operate quite well. Let's go ahead and see headlights. We got high beam. And then we got two little cop lights there. We got sirens all working as well. Let's go ahead and head to the back and take a look at the rear cop lights. Take a quick look on the inside. Got all your controls there. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you're interested in a shipping quote, use the contact seller button. And if you're interested with 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to start a conversation. And good luck with the rest of the auction.